Alright, today we're changing the Sylvania driving lights on a GMC Acadia. Link to these below if you know the H11 is what you need. So if you're interested in watching a video about how to do this, it's not that hard, stick around. Thanks. Okay, in this GMC Acadia repair video, we're changing the drive light on a GMC Acadia. I'm going to use the Extra Vision H11 Sylvania bulbs. They're the medium price ones and they seem to work. I need a T20 wrench and some gloves. So the secret is open the hood, check your oil, forget about that. The outer light is the drive light and it doesn't work. The secret is we're going in underneath the fender well. We need a T20 wrench and we're going to pull out 4 of these bolts, reach up underneath, take a dust cover off, quarter turn counterclockwise. Then we're going to take the light out, and the light's just got a little elbow or a little clip on it. You push one end of the clip and the light comes off, and then we'll reach back in and put it back in. So turn the light, turn the wheel so you can get to these wrenches. Another note, the reason I make this video is because they seem like they run out, burn out all the time. And what I found is the extra expensive ones, the $70 ones, lasted about 6 months. I went back and looked at my videos, and the medium priced one that I have here lasted since February 2017, and it's currently September 2019. So we got about 2.5 years out of these. But the amazing thing about that is it's 2.5 years. So I'm turning this light in the socket a quarter of a turn and then pulling it out. It's kind of hard to get to. You have to reach in there, fuss around with it, and then like closing your eyes even helps. So I'm going to take a picture of what this looks like. Alright, I put some gloves on. I don't want to get oil from my hands on the light. I know that was a thing in the past, and I just want to take precautions. So now I need to reach up in here, both hands, realize the clip. About a quarter of a turn. About 1/8 of a turn, and the same with the dust cup. This is the dust cup, and it just goes up on the back. There's a little bit of an obstruction. It dropped in, and it's got a quarter of a turn. Put these lights back on, and you are ready to go. I've heard the dealer charges a ton to do that. It's not that difficult. The secret is getting into the window well and changing them often, every 2.5 years. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share, tell your mom.